Hello my dear footballers. Today we have to learn about goalkeeping. What is the goalkeeping? Today I will teach you what is the importance of goalkeeping. Today we have to see that goalkeeper is a very important part of football. Understood? That's why you have to learn very seriously about goalkeeping. Goalkeeping is a great goalkeeper is a last defender of our team. He can see everything about match or during the match situation he can see each and everything. That's why goalkeeper is very important. What is the benefits of goalkeeping? What is the importance of goalkeeping? What is the small tips of goalkeeping? When you have to do proper goalkeeping during the match, I will teach you today's session. Okay guys, then you have to follow that which thing I will teach you. Today our session will start with our warm up, then specific exercise, afterwards cool down exercise. Let's start with warm up. Now I will arrange the cones. Before that, today I have two friends, Mr. Naga and Om.
Hi friend.
He is professional goalkeeper and he is national footballer. Okay, first I will arrange the cones. I am arranging this cone for warm up. Naga, you will wait. Okay. Okay. I will take home and you have to start the warm up. Go kick the ball. You have to follow me. Okay? मुझे पीछे पीछे follow करना है. Okay? First start the jogging. Start. Slow, slow. Good. Jogging करते वक्त you have to run on your toes like this. Very good. You have to run on your toes. Everyone.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now raise your hands like this. Move like this. Very good. This is goalkeeping warm up. Remember this thing. Very good. This is specifics warm up of goalkeeping. Change, go down. Up. Again. Walk. Simple. One round walk. Walking करते वक्त you have to breathing two sides. एक मुंह से, दूसरा नाक से. समझ में आया? कंटिन्यू। Now take the ball, पास करना है, ठीक है? If you don't have partner, how you have to do the warm up? I will show you. If you don't have partner, what you have to do? I will show you. See. अंडरस्टूड? मेरे साथ पार्टनर है इसलिए मैं इसके साथ कर पा रहा हूँ. इफ यू डोंट हैव पार्टनर यू हैव टू डू लाइक दिस. अंडरस्टूड? ओम समझ में आया? ऐसा करना है तो ऐसा करना है. नाउ अगेन ओके. स्टार्ट अवर रोटेशन, नेक रोटेशन. ये करते वक्त ओम आंखें खुली रखना है. यू हैव टू ओपन योर आईज ऑल ऑफ यू. यस. रिवर्स. अप एंड डाउन. Side like this. Change. Up. Down. Good. Now shoulder rotation. Start. This is very important for goalkeeping.
Yes, sir.
When you will go on ball,
Yes.
when you will fall down, that time you have to use your shoulder.
Yes, sir.
Many times you will get chance for injury. That's why first you have to keep your shoulder very strong. All of you, those want to make a goalkeeper, they are remember this thing. Shoulder is very important in goalkeeping. You have to make your shoulder very strong. Very good. Change. Change. Wrist rotation. This also when you punch the ball
Yes, sir. Yes.
for goalkeeping, that time you need very power in your wrist.
Yes, sir.
Reverse. Okay. Wrist rotation. When you go on ball, जब बॉल पे जाते हो क्विकली, तब तुम्हारा कमर से ऊपर का भाग वेरी स्ट्रांग रहना चाहिए. इसलिए यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज वेरी केयरफुली.
Yes, sir.
रिवर्स. बॉडी आगे खींचो ऐसी. गुड. चेंज. Ankle rotation. This is a very important part of football. You know that,
Yes, sir. Yes.
all of you. forwards, up and down, change. Those who want to make a goalkeeper, first who want to make a goalkeeper, listen carefully. First you have to maintain your upper body very strong. Understood? Okay. Now we have to start our specific skill, means goalkeeping practice. Today we have to start now. Okay. Now we have to start our practice. Okay. Today we have to start with grip. Grip is a basic part of goalkeeping. That's why we have to start with grip. How you have to grip the ball? First I will show you. When you bounce the ball like this, you have to grip like this. Simple. See. समझे हो? देखो ये.
Yes, sir.
मेरी ग्रिप देखो कहाँ है, बॉल के ऊपर देखो. बॉल ऐसा स्टिक होना चाहिए हाथ को. देखो ये. और इसके साथ आगे क्या करना है मैं आपको बता दूँ. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट द ग्रिप लाइक दिस. स्टार्ट. स्टार्ट. ग्रिप अच्छे से करना है. Now we have to start the grip in jump. देखो कैसा करना है. Okay, start. Jump कर. Very good. Very good. Come on. Now we have to do the gripping practice in stretching position. Stretch करो पैर को. करो पैर. Stretch करो. Stretch करो. Stretch. Now start the gripping practice like this. Start. आगे देखना है. Good. क्या बात है. Good. 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 Very good. ग्रिप सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है गोलकीपिंग के लिए. If your grip will be very poor, you can't do goalkeeping. You know that thing. That's why grip is very important part of goalkeeping. Understood? Stop. 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 Now we have to pass the ball like this. पास करना है पैर से. मालूम है ना ऐसा? हाँ. Come on. Start. Good. Very good. Very good. ग्रिप अच्छा रखो. ग्रिप अच्छा रखो. Good. 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 Very good. हो. क्या बात है. बढ़िया. सब देखो ये क्या कर रहा है गोलकीपर. You have to do like this at your home. You can do in small place like this skill. You have to do at your home with me, and as well as you have to do the practice so many times at your home. Okay, good. Stop. तसंच करायचं होतं. मी सांगतो ते. Stretch your body. Stretch. Now catch the ball under the leg. Good. Come on. Very good. 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 See, you have to do same. Come on, home. Keep your leg straight. अच्छे से रखो. leg अच्छे रखो. हाँ. Good. Very good. Good. समझ में आ रहा है? ये आपको करना है सबको. Stop. Now I will teach you if you are alone, if you don't have a partner, how you have to grip, how you have to do the gripping practice in advanced condition. See, at your home you have to do like this. Come on mom, do with me. आओ ओम, करो इधर मेरे साथ. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? ये कंटिन्यू करना है. You don't have partner, no problem. You can do this at your home separately. See his gripping position. Okay, see my whole body position like this. Okay, understood? This is very important. If you can't grip the ball, you can't perform in goalkeeping. Goalkeeping में अगर परफॉर्म करना है तो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट you have to improve your gripping. Understood? That's why grip is very important part of your goalkeeping. Understood? Come on. Now after the gripping practice we have to learn how you have to collect the ball in your shield like this.
Yes sir.
Understood? आपके चेस्ट के और पेट के ऊपर बॉल कैसा ग्रिप करना है मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा सबको. यू हैव टू ग्रिप द बॉल लाइक दिस. सी माय कंडीशन. सी. ओके, कम ऑन. नागा, कम. स्टार्ट. सी, व्हेन यू कलेक्ट द बॉल you have to take near the chest, then you have to hold your ball like this, then you have to throw the ball again. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? और मूव करना है बॉडी. यस सर, बॉडी मूव करना. Come on, Om. Come. Go. Om, come on. आगे आना है. See his approach run. Then shoulder position, eye focus, and his judgment. How you have to collect the ball in your hands. How you have to go on ball when you have to collect the ball. How you have to keep your body like this. When you collect the ball, you have to throw the ball. Then afterwards, what you have to do, he will show you. See, good. देखो उसका अप्रोच रन देखो, बाद में फॉलो थ्रू देखो. बॉल थ्रो करने के बाद ये सब चीजें ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Stop. अभी ये ऐसा क्यों करवा रहा हूँ? When you catch the ball during the match, that time you have to throw the ball downside or in air. Then again you have to go at your place and you have to take the position. That's why I am telling like this. You have to improve your follow through. When you throw the ball, afterwards what you have to do? You have to learn this. बॉल अभी मेरे पास ऊपर से फेंकना है. वेन यू कलेक्ट द बॉल, बॉल पकड़ने के बाद ऊपर से फेंकना है. गुड. आगे आगे फेंको, आगे पीछे. गुड. देखो, रन. Run fast. Run. Run. Understood? Now afterwards what you have to do, you have to learn engage position. Engage position means continuously you have to change your face and throw the ball. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Come on, Naga, come with me. You have to stand in center. Ready? Continuously. आगे आना है, पीछे जाना है वो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
देखो इसका अप्रोच रन देखो. You have to learn this. पीछे देखो, पीछे देखो. Come on, good, never mind. Fast करो. Fast. Continuously. Ball round मारो नागा. Yes, fast. Push the ball only push the ball. Good. Come on, fast. Push the ball like this. Okay, stop. Understood? What he did? Continuously, he was changing the direction. Now, what you have to learn? You have to learn when you fall down in match. Instantly, you have to stand and again you have to do the goalkeeping. But in practice session, how you have to do? I will show you. Oh, now you have to start the front row.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then again you have to change your face. Then throw the ball. Start the front row. फ्रंट रोल मार के मेरे पास करना है. मेरे पास थ्रो करो बॉल. फ्रंट रोल. रेडी. उधर थ्रो करो. फ्रंट रोल. फास्ट. रेडी. नागा पुश. गुड वन. फ्रंट रोल. थ्रो एंड फ्रंट रोल. नेवर माइंड. नागा पुश. वेरी गुड. फ्रंट रोल. गुड. ओके. स्टॉप. गुड वन. Now we have to learn shooting grip. When he will throw the ball, that time I will kick the ball in his hand. Then he will grip the ball and in his hand. How you have to do? First I will show you. वो वहाँ पे जाके मेरे हाथ में मारना है.
Yes.
Throw the ball. Ready? Move back. Okay? Kick. You have to kick on my body.
Yes,
मेरे
sir.
body पे मारना है.
Yes, sir.
See my legs position. ये देखो मेरा अप्रोच रन कहाँ है, जजमेंट कहाँ है, ये सब आपको सीखना है. कम ऑन. अंडरस्टूड? देखो मेरी पोजीशन कहाँ है, कैसा ग्रिप किया मैंने बॉल. आई होल्ड द बॉल नियर द चेस्ट. सी. अंडरस्टूड? यू हैव टू डू विथ मी लाइक दिस. Come on, kick. learn how you have to hold the ball in air. Okay, I will teach you. ओम, आपको बॉल एयर में मेरे पास ऐसा फेंकना है.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ओके. हाउ यू हैव टू ग्रिप द बॉल इन एयर. आई विल शो यू. गो. बस यहाँ से फेंको. हाँ. When you will catch the ball, that time you have to lift your knee. Why? It is your security. Okay. When opponent will come on your body, you have to protect your body. Otherwise, he will come and he will beat you. Understood? That's why when opponent will come, that time you have to lift your knee for your protection. Okay. Come on. Good. Every ball you have to hold like this when you after your collection. After your collection, बॉल यहाँ भी पकड़ने के बाद में उसकी लास्ट पोजीशन ऐसी होनी चाहिए सबकी. अंडरस्टूड? सी. ओके, गुड. Now we have to learn how you have to do the that in during the match. I will show you when ball will come in air. That time how you have to dive on the ball. I will show you. See my shoulder. Understood? When you will dive, that time you have to use your shoulder. Understood? Otherwise you will fall down like this. Your teeth will broken. That's why you have to use your shoulder. Okay? Ready? Okay. Today our goalkeeping session is finished. Now we have to do cool down exercise. You enjoying all of you? You did very well. अच्छे से किया है सबने मेरे साथ. नहीं किया तो वीडियो देखो और फिर से घर पे प्रैक्टिस करो. यू हैव टू डू द सेम प्रैक्टिस एट योर होम. ओके. नाउ स्टार्ट द कूल डाउन एक्सरसाइज. होम कीप योर सिट डाउन. स्टार्ट द स्ट्रेचिंग. स्ट्रेचिंग के साथ करना है. स्टार्ट स्लोली स्लोली स्लो स्लो. हाँ. चेंज. Change next. Good. Very good. Look front, look front, look front. Good. Change. Good. Okay. Stretch. Like this. Good. Change. Good. Now stretch your whole body out like this. Stretch. Start to touch. Start. Hold your. हाँ, come on. Look up. हाथ ऊपर. हाथ की तरफ सर जाना चाहिए. देखो ऐसा. Good. 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 Stop. Okay. Next. Stop. Good. Now hold your toes. दोनों हाथ ऐसे करो. पकड़ लो. आगे देखो. Good. Good, very good. क्या बात है हो? Very good. Sit down. Very good. You have to move your thighs muscle as well as calf muscle. Very good. Keep your legs straight. Very good. मजा आ रहा है सबको? Good. Change. This is our today. Tomorrow I will teach you what ground dimension. After that, game strategy or game plan. Okay. Hold, 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 hold. Good, 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 good. Nice. Okay. Understood? देखो, सीखो, फिट रहो, घर में रहो, सुरक्षित रहो, तंदुरुस्त रहो. बाय बाय.